Buddhism, with 500 million followers, is the world's fourth largest religion. It seeks to overcome suffering and achieve Nirvana, a state of inner peace and wisdom. Founded by Siddhartha Gautama, known as the Buddha, over 2,500 years ago in India, Buddhism began with his quest for enlightenment. Siddhartha, a Hindu prince from present-day Nepal, was moved by the suffering he saw. He renounced his wealth for poverty but found no fulfillment until he developed the middle way, a path between self-indulgence and self-denial. After 6 years, he achieved enlightenment under a Bodhi tree and spent his life teaching others to reach Nirvana. His teachings, passed down orally, were written around the 1st century BCE. Buddhism shares concepts with Hinduism, like reincarnation and karma, but rejects the caste system, rituals, and gods. It emphasizes personal paths to enlightenment, appealing to lower castes. The goal is to escape the cycle of rebirth, or samsara, through the Four Noble Truths and the Eightfold Path, which include right intention, speech, and action. Buddhists follow 5 moral precepts: not killing, abstaining from drugs and alcohol, not stealing, avoiding sexual misconduct, and not lying. Practices include meditation and observing moral precepts. Buddhism spread across India, gaining support from Emperor Ashoka in the 3rd century BCE, and further spread along trade routes, blending with local cultures. Despite challenges like the Huns' invasions and the spread of Islam, Buddhism remained influential in places like Northeast India, Thailand, and Tibet, where it is still dominant today. China and Thailand have the largest Buddhist populations, and the religion is growing globally, especially in the West. The essence of the Buddha's teachings is captured in his reputed final words: "Be your own light. Do not look for the light in another. Light your own way in the dark."